So the way I do my balloon garlands is I mark off the pattern of how I want the balloon garland to flow once it's actually on my grass wall, which is what I'm going to be putting it on today. So you kind of have the pinks going into some whites. I have this gold glitter balloon, some gold, pink, 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 all the way through. So for anyone who's doing their balloon garlands, always make sure you have your pattern set up first. That way you're not just blowing up random balloons. You always want to make sure you are ready and prepared. So next steps, we're going to just go ahead and blow these up, and then we'll add them to our balloon tape, which is right here. And all of these balloons, some of them came from Dollar General, some of them came from Target, and the others came from Five and Below. I'm going to use my batches of the balloons that I've blown up, and what we're going to go ahead and do is start measuring them on our balloon tape, just so that we don't continue to blow up too many balloons. Obviously I'm going to probably need a little bit more than this, but I don't want to go ahead and blow up the whole set, because as I'm blowing them up, I'm realizing that I probably don't need that many for the grass wall. So what we'll do is we'll put these balloons here on our balloon tape, and then we'll measure it upon our grass wall, and then we'll be able to go from there. So again, this is our balloon tape. And we're just going to add our balloons to our tape. Then we're going to follow that same pattern that we already mapped out. So that's how it's supposed to always be. So this is the grass wall that I'm going to be working with. This was built with artificial grass from Home Depot, and it's attached to some plywood, and it is 4x6. So again, like I said, this part here is just gonna go on the top, which is why I said don't just start blowing up so many balloons. And let's measure it now on the top. All right, so I measured the first part. This again is not gonna be the final look, but I added a staple, 2 staples right here on my balloon tape, balloon strip, so that it could stay. And then I'm gonna go in with some balloon string so it'll hang up more like this. And all we need to do next is go ahead and add another one of these rows to the bottom and then fluff it out. That way we don't have to blow up all those balloons that you saw in the first part of this video. So we're gonna do that part, and then we'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So we're just gonna repeat that same process we did for that first top part of the balloon garland for the second part that's gonna go on the bottom, and then we'll just add a few clusters for the end for it to flow. So that first round had about 18 balloons, so I'm going to go ahead and blow up the next set. Hey! He always tries to make cameos in all of my videos. Okay, this is the staple gun we use, the DeWalt. Sorry, Princeton. The DeWalt staple gun. And now we're gonna add that bottom part, like I said. So we're gonna find the slack that's here. That's gonna actually be tied. And we'll start this one. We'll start about right. And then, like I said, we are going to take our balloon string and go through and wrap this so it can flow better. And then I'm gonna add a couple clusters down here so it can just kind of go in a C. Okay, so these are the 2 balloon clusters that I added. They'll go on the bottom of this here. And we're going to next take our, what is this, curling ribbon. We're gonna take our curling ribbon. and we're gonna tie up all those loose ends so that it's more put together. Okay, so I'm stapling one end of the string to the back of the wall. Fingers crossed I can do this without hurting myself. Everything together and making more clusters. This is the final look. I added the tulle at the bottom. That's how it'll be set up for the shower. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, Princey.